Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas, and today's video is actually a little bit extra special because it's a collaboration video with a group of amazing YouTubers, and I'm going to list everyone's name on the screen now, right here, and I will also link to everyone's channels in my description box below, and I'm pretty sure there'll be a playlist for everyone's video, so if there is, I will leave a link to that playlist down below as well. So today's collaboration was to come up with a DIY decor, either Christmas stocking or Christmas cushion. So that was the scope. So I decided to make a little stocking garland to go above my bed. I've got a little mantle shelf above my bed, and I think it just needs a little bit more decor hanging off it. So I thought I would make a little baby stocking garland to go all the way across. So we're going to be using a few different types of materials, most probably. You know me, guys, whenever I start a project, I have no idea where I'm going with it when I first start. So I may or may not use all of these things depending on how it's looking. So I'm thinking of using either some burlap. We've got some red ticking stripe fabric. We've got some various strips of drop cloth. I've also got some jute twine that I think I might use as, to string it all along. And yeah, so this is going to be a no-sew project. We're going to be using hot glue. It's going to be a very quick and easy project. So I'll set all my materials up and let's get started. So what we've done first, I've just gone on to the internet and just printed off a stocking template that I like. You would not believe the amount of different stocking templates that are available once you start looking for them. It actually took me at least 5 minutes to find one that I thought was the perfect stocking shape. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this out and use this as our template. So I'm going to cut a little bit more around the outside of this stocking just to make it a little bit bigger. So we're just going to use this now to cut out all our actual material. Little templates cut out. I'm doing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 little stockings, and I've done like back and front for each one. So I'm going to have it like ticking stripe, plain, ticking stripe, plain, ticking stripe, plain, etc., etc., and then one of the ticking stripes going that way and one that way, just to create a bit of interest. So you basically need 2 little templates per stocking, and now we're just going to hot glue them together. We're going to hot glue around all on the inside of this one. I'm going to leave the top open for now so that we can fill it with some stuffing, and yeah, then that will be the next step. So I'll just get my hot glue gun going. Okay, so when I'm hot gluing, I'm going to leave a little bit of a lip. So they're all glued together. So now what we're going to do is just fray the edges. So just pull apart some of those little fibers. That's why we left a little bit of a gap on the edge, so that we've got a little bit of space to make all these frayed a little bit. And then we're going to sort of trim them all down and then stuff them. Right, so I've got all of my little stockings all frayed around the edges now, and I'm really loving the way they turn out. They're so cute. So what we're going to do now is just stuff them with a bit of polyfill stuff. So this is just an old pillow that I had, and as you can see, it was a very cheap and nasty pillow because that's what it was filled with. So I kept it, and now we're going to use this stuff to fill our little stockings. And then we're going to attach a little tie to the top of them and seal them up with the same hot glue. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to create some little tags to put on them. So I am just going to cut some length of jute twine. We need 11 of these. And now what we're going to do is put the little tag inside and hot glue them all up. Like I said, I just used some jute twine to tie them up. I just threaded them on. They're light enough that they just stay there. So I didn't feel the need to secure them on or anything like that. You can add a little bit of hot glue if you prefer. They just don't move, but I mean, they're not really going to go anywhere. They're very light. So this is the little mantle above my bed, and this is where I wanted to display them. I just think they look so cute. I'm really happy with the way they turned out, and like I said, I'm just going to leave them plain this year and see how I like them, and then next year I can always add bells or, you know, a few little bits of greenery or something like that to them if I feel that they're a bit too plain. But they match in with the rest of my ticking stripe decor that I've got in my rooms. I've got my little Christmas tree there, which I made last year, my candy cane wreath that I made last year as well. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you check out everyone else's video in the collaboration. I'm sure they're going to be coming up with some amazing stocking or cushion DIYs themselves. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching. Hope you enjoyed another day of Vlogmas, and I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video.